Alright, got a little bit of a problem with the bridge. It's raining like crazy right now. Look at how bummed out. Go back inside, Ted. Go back inside. There's nothing for you in here. Go in. Go inside. You don't have to be out here. Go inside. Poor little guy. Now that's dedication. That dog was going to go with me. Okay. Here is the problem. The stuff by the side of the bridge is getting built up in there. Boy, the river's picking up too, and I don't want to lose another bridge. So yes, I am indeed going to risk my life for a stupid bridge. I'm trying to get my little tripod working here, so excuse the bouncing around. Because obviously, nobody else is crazy enough to be around here. So I'll get this thing set. And hopefully, yeah, that should be good. So, in advance, Mary, if I screw up, at least you'll be able to give this to the insurance company. Not sure how helpful that's going to be. Like that's about it. Hopefully that will help the bridge at least a little bit. As you can see, the rake handle went all the way down right next to it, so I mean, it's still, nothing's blocked up underneath there. I mean, this is a full-size rake, so that's almost a 5-foot handle. I had 4 feet of it down there, so we'll see what that does. Hopefully we get to keep the bridge. It's a very heavy bridge, and I'd hate to lose another one. We've had a couple of them go away. Oh well. Here's hoping. I'll follow up on this tomorrow.